Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about dictionaries in Python. A dictionary is a collection used to store data in form of key value pairs. Think of it like a real dictionary. In a real dictionary, a word is the key and its meaning is the value. Similarly in Python, each key is connected to a value. Dictionaries are written using curly brackets and basic syntax you can see in the slide one in the image. So dictionary name equals to curly braces, key, colon, value and close bracket. Let's see an example. Student equals to name colon Harini, age colon 18, course colon Python. And print student gives the output like name Harini, age 18, course Python. Here, name, age, and course are keys. Harini, 18, and Python are the values. So remember one thing, dictionaries store data using key value pairs. Slide 2 explains about accessing and using dictionary values. To access a value, we use its key. So for example, student equals to name colon Harini, age colon 18, print student of key name, and the output will become Harini. So because the key name stores the value Harini, another example, student print student of key age, so the output will become 18. Dictionaries are very useful because they help organize related data clearly. Important points are keys must be unique, values can be numbers, strings, list, or other data types. So, for example, data equals to ID colon 101 and skills colon Python and Java. Dictionaries are commonly used in student records, user profiles, database systems, APIs, and real world applications. A quick recap for this dictionary is dictionaries use curly brackets, store data in key value format, and values are accessed using keys. So, today you learn what dictionaries are and what key value pairs mean and how to access dictionary values. So, keep practicing and happy coding.